Hello friends! Today we've got Rapunzel, Elsa, Ariel, and Snow White. I think there's someone at the back. Who's that? Hello! Hello! Oh, this looks like Joy from the movie Inside Out.
Hey princesses, looks like you're gonna have a dress-up party today. Why don't you dress up like the characters of the movie Inside Out?
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's get started. So Elsa gonna be Joy. Queen Elsa is looking so cute in Joy's outfit. She's looking wonderful. Next one is Snow White. Snow White gonna be sadness. Blue hair. Without forgetting her glasses. Presenting you Snow White as Sadness. Do you like her outfit, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below. Next one gonna be Ariel. She gonna be Anger. She's looking cute. Do you like her outfit, friends? Do let me know if you think she looks like Anger. Now it's Rapunzel's turn. And Rapunzel gonna be Disgust. Rapunzel is already as Disgust. They're all looking so cute. We've got Ariel as anger, Snow White as sadness, Rapunzel as disgust, and our Queen Elsa as joy. They are all looking so pretty. Do let me know if you like it, friends. I'll be waiting for your comments. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. Subscribe.